There we go, it's blinking. Alright, testing 1, 2. Okay, we've got the Flite test Corsair master build. I've got a Lemon 6-channel, 7-channel receiver with stabilizer on, rate stabilizer. I'm using an 1800 milliamp battery, 3-cell, and I'll set this up with a detachable wing. So let me plug that in. Don't have it aligned yet. There we go. Okay, that's on. Come down low, Phil. You got a guy in the pattern. Stick to your right. I haven't seen a guy come that close in. It's like he's circling to come in for a landing. No. Nearest one is in Williamsburg, on the other side of Williamsburg. Yeah, I imagine it'd be the best spot to try. You might get stuck in the mud, but it'd be better than crashing. Well, he's going to be at the south end of the field in about 30 seconds or less. He's turning away. I put the battery as far forward as I can. It's a 2200. So if it was tail heavy, this is as best I can do with the...
Okay, so you took the other one.
Yeah, this is a 2200, a good battery. I know, known good battery.
Still fooling around over there.
Yeah.
Maybe he's flying over the river. Isn't that a river over there?
Yeah, the James River.
Okay, so which way are we going to toss it?
I think, let's just go straight down the runway this time, as long as it's kind of tame. Back right here if you want. I'm going to get out there. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, battery makes all the difference.
Wow, look at that.
It's still a little tail heavy, but not much I can do about that other than a little down trim in it. I put a wheel collar on that end of that keeper.
Yeah. Good thing we spotted it.
Yeah. That's just gliding there, the power off.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, the wind's coming out of the corner, out of right over. Oh, the battery's as far forward as you could put it?
Yeah. With the weight, but it would overprop it. The prop would cavitate if I went full throttle. But yeah, it flies well. You can tell the wind's still kicking it.
Yep. Yes, it is.
So I'm going to put a little down elevator in, or up elevator in it when I get it back. Yeah.
The wind's coming over your left shoulder.
Okay.
Still coming over your left shoulder.
Southwest. My grandson wanted those orange stripes.
Oh.
That's why I've got them.
Makes it easy to spot.
Yeah.
It's easy to see it.
Now I wanted the yellow cowl and the tips. Call that a good maiden flight and bring it in.